In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync Chrome in just a few simple steps, so your bookmarks, passwords, history, extensions, and settings can follow you across every device you use. If you've ever opened Chrome on a new computer and wished everything was already there, this is exactly what you need. This is a quick and easy setup, and by the end of the video, your Chrome sync will be turned on and ready to use. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome opens, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You should see your profile icon there. This may appear as a person icon, your initials, or a profile picture if you've already signed in before. Go ahead and click that profile icon. When you do, a small menu will appear with account and profile options. In that menu, look for the option that says Turn on Sync. This is the button that starts the process of connecting your Chrome data to your Google account. Click Turn on Sync. Chrome will then ask you to confirm that you want to enable syncing. You may see a prompt with a button that says Yes, I'm in. This is Chrome's way of asking for your permission to start syncing your browsing data across devices. Click Yes, I'm in to continue. After that, Chrome will begin syncing your account information, and you'll be able to access your saved data wherever you sign in with the same Google account. That means if you bookmark a website on one device, you can find it on another. If you save a password, it can be available across your signed-in devices. And if you customize your browser settings, those preferences can also stay consistent. Once sync is enabled, you're basically done. Chrome will continue working in the background to keep your data updated. If you ever want to check your sync settings later, you can return to the profile icon and manage what gets synced from there. So that's how to sync Chrome in just a few clicks. It only takes a moment, but it can save you a lot of time if you use Chrome on more than one device. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.